Hi, welcome to Infront Consulting Group. My name is Mark Wheatley. Today we're covering System Center 2012 Service Manager, our training offering. We have uniquely crafted courses from Infront, and we develop deeply inspired and experience-based training based on our consultants in the field who every day work with these products. We have over a dozen MVPs, Microsoft most valued professionals, who are contributing in some way to this training. We update our content regularly. We do not offer stale, out-of-date content of any sort. And we focus and specialize entirely on System Center. That's our core business. We do software, we do consulting services, and of course we do training. So who better to deliver System Center 2012 Service Manager? We go beyond what other providers offer in that we are deeply concerned for you to deliver business value using Service Manager. Of all other products, my goodness, that's what it's intended for. The IT services supporting the business. So we are a certified CPLS or certified provider of learning solutions for Microsoft. And as such, we can accept your software assurance training vouchers to cover the costs of certain classes. We practice what we teach. We offer cloud-based labs that are available throughout your class duration from 24 hours a day, wherever you are in the world. Your instructor has extensive experience compared with other training providers who often read from the book or learned the product yesterday to teach it today. So we work with your specific needs. We don't teach to a generic student. We listen carefully to what you need to use this for, because we are intent on delivering the highest business value and not wasting a minute of your time. So what do we do in class? We start with the architecture of Service Manager. This is a big one. It's a very foundational member of the System Center family. And throughout we infuse best practices. Without best practices, Service Manager can be somewhat of a flop because everything depends on your inspiration and your guidance that you get on how to start this out. We've seen this as a known failure point. So hands-on labs throughout. We'll be gearing up with more and more labs as the course goes on. We'll plan and deploy. This part, planning and deployment, often drives people crazy, and we're here to help. We can do a good job, and we've proven that. Throughout the class, we have a healthy balance of discussion, demonstration, and hands-on labs. And we have a staff who can take tough questions of any sort. On day 2, we continue with best practices for customization and deploying self-service IT through a web-based portal. We work with a Service Manager connectors, that is, and this is the way we get input into the configuration management database from lots of different sources. We always follow best practices for Service Manager security, and throughout we have hands-on labs, good balance, and tough questions answered. Day 3, we'll drill down into incident management. On top of incident management, we collect incidents together to produce problem management, and then we deal with the whole IT service delivery lifecycle, dealing with catalogs, service offerings, service requests, all kinds of workflow and automation internal to this, as well as using other System Center products. And we extend the self-service portal through detailed forms authoring. On day 4, we follow that with change management and release management. We deal with the Service Manager library, the working tools, if you will, the repository for lists, queues, runbooks, and so on. And then we cover detailed visualization with designing reports and dashboards. We cover management pack basics, classes inheritance, and so on. And we extend Service Manager to author forms and workflows. So if that sounds interesting, what do you do? Get on board now and go to our website at infrontconsulting.com, Services Education. Read about our training offerings and sign up for a class, or you can register by emailing training@infrontconsulting.com. Thanks very much, and we look forward to seeing you in a Service Manager class.